This is wild. Guys, this is crazy. I want you guys to see what's happening and understand. So kindly watch this. This is mind-blowing, totally. This is an amazing tool. Hi guys, I want to introduce you guys to NotebookLM, which in my opinion is the best AI for the year 2024. It's an app for generating a podcast from either text or audio. Documents can be PDFs or text, or you can just copy them. Let's go and explore it. This is their homepage, so you need to set up an account and sign in. Once you're signed in, it's the first page that you get to. So let's create our first notebook. Once you go to the homepage, this is what you provided with. Click on this Create button, after which you get this option. It will take you to this page where you can upload your sources. What does that mean? Maybe you have documents in Google Drive, either Google Docs or Slides. You can access your Google Drive and pull the document here. Alternatively, you can paste a URL link from a website or from YouTube. And the other third option is to just copy-paste text in here. I think this is what we were going to use. I have gotten some text about NotebookLM from their website, and I want us to create a podcast on that. Let's go. So I'll just click on this copy text button, click inside, paste the text that I want to create. Then I insert it. After a while it will populate and then give me this option to generate a podcast which has two hosts discussing the documents of the contents I have pasted there. So let's generate and wait. This usually takes between 2 and 5 minutes, but also it's subject to the data that you are either pasting or the URL, and the more the data you're posting, the longer it will take to process. But our data is not that much, so let's see how this goes. Okay, so it finished and here's the result.
Ever feel like you're just drowning in information these days?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
It's like drinking from a fire hose.
Right? Definitely feel that way.
Well, today we're diving deep into something that promises to help us navigate it all a little bit better.
Okay, sounds good.
It's called NotebookLM from Google. And
Here's our podcast, and now this is the most exciting part about the NotebookLM. They have this interactive mode, which is in their beta stage, and we're going to explore it. So here goes. It will request to access our microphone, so we let it. It'll give us another window with the two hosts, and let me not explain this much to you guys. I want you guys to see what's happening and understand. So kindly watch this. This is mind-blowing, totally.
ever feel like you're just drowning in information these days?
Oh, yeah, absolutely.
Like drinking from a fire hose, right?
Definitely feel that way.
Well, today we're diving deep into something that promises to help us navigate it all a little bit better.
Okay, sounds good.
It's called NotebookLM from Google, and it's like having your own personal AI research assistant.
Oh, wow, I've heard a little about this. I'm really interested to learn more.
Yeah, it's built on Google's Gemini 2.0. Oh, wait, someone wants to join. Hey, go for it.
Hey guys, what are the 5 best features of NotebookLM in summary?
So if we're talking the top features, I'd say first is its versatility with different types of sources.
Definitely. The fact that it can handle PDFs, website, YouTube videos.
Yeah, that's where it gets really interesting. It can actually analyze the relationships between ideas.
Right, it's drawing inferences, finding underlying themes across all your sources. That's powerful stuff.
Okay, and number 3, this is one of my favorites. It's got to be the audio overview feature.
Oh, yeah, that podcast-style discussion based on your uploaded material is a game changer, for sure.
Totally meta, but also a really engaging way to process information and learn on the go.
And fourth, I would say the transparent citations. It builds so much trust.
Absolutely, knowing that every response is linked back to the source with the citation means you can always verify.
And finally, number 5.
Oh, yeah.
Before you
Go
give
on.
me number 5, let's just move on to the other part of the document.
Okay, I hear you. You're eager to dig deeper into the other aspects of NotebookLM, and that's totally fair.
Yeah, we could definitely do that. We were just about to get to the 5th feature, but we can save that for later.
We can definitely come back to it. Let's move past the features for a bit and get into how it all works.
So we've talked about how it handles different source materials like PDFs and videos.
Right, it can handle PDFs, websites, YouTube videos, even Google Docs.
Yeah, it's like a universal.
This is wild. Guys, this is crazy. The fact that you can interact with the hosts on your material is amazing. You can use it to make podcasts, you can use it to do assignments if you are a student. This is an amazing tool. I think you can use it to create faceless YouTube videos. I mean, there's so much more you can do with NotebookLM, and that's why it's one of my favorite tools for 2024. Go ahead and give it a try.